Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ethan. Today we're going to go over a quick video on TRX Arms thigh belt for your larger holsters, more durable and heavier holsters as well too, so it doesn't move around. So we're going to go over this, see if it was worth it. So this is TRX Arms matte black option. They have multiple colors. They have black, dark earth, matte green, desert tan. They have a ton of options there for you if you have a style you're looking for. I just went with a basic black because my sidearm is black and the holster is black as well. So just all blends in. I've seen people use it. I thought it was just for looks. I didn't know if it actually helped a lot. And let me say, it helps a lot if you're using it for competition, you're in the police, military. It makes your sidearm so much tighter to your leg and to your body, and you don't have to worry about it moving back and forth, which I'll show you. What I'm running here is the Walther PDP Pro. Love this gun, phenomenal. I'm gonna do another video on this right here, doing an in-depth on it, but so far I've been very, very surprised on how this gun is performing. So that's what I'm running on the side. So it's a heavier gun because you're gonna be, I put a light TLR 1HL on the front, so it's gonna be a bigger light, so it is a little heavier. So if you have a heavier setup on your side, definitely look at this band right here as well. So this is just on the side. You can see it's flappy. You can see like that. It's moving all over the place, which when you're running in competition or you're a police officer in the military, you don't want that happening because that's something else you're gonna have to worry about if it comes loose or anything like that. This right here attaches right on the bottom right here. I have a little short video how to do that. Go check that out. Very, very simple. They made it just super easy. That's all you're gonna do right there. The strap goes behind. Also is gonna have a rubber on the back so it sits flush with your leg and won't move around. Don't have to worry about that as well. Clips right in there, and you can see it is not moving anywhere, as you see there. It is straight to your body. When you pull the gun out, your holster does not move at all. Instead of with it in, the gun's pointing out like that right there. Some people think it looks weird, but performance-wise, it's definitely worth it. It was around 30 bucks, so great $30 spent on this holster setup just because it's so much better, as you can see. Great money spent. If you guys are looking for accessories, belts like these right here, go to TRX Arms and pick something up from them because they have some great products. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.